Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Timetec HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Timetec HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in timetechcloud.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of Timetec HR's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Timetec HR's account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. You can also sign in to your Timetec HR's account with Microsoft account as well. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Timetec HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.